Very few people know his real name. On the internet he is known as CIS, and he born in 1979 in Japan. CIS, pronounced sis, means death in classical Japanese. Before becoming a trader, CIS studied mechanical engineering, but he was not a good student. He was completely addict to video games. One of his favorite games during college was Ultima Online. Video games are a big part of CIS' life, and he is also a gambler. Even nowadays on his free time he plays poker, mahjong, blackjack and other games. He is also really active on social media. You can follow him on Twitter at sisin_9984, but if you don't understand Japanese you will have no luck. CIS said on an interview that he learned a lot by playing video games. He learned that when you see a strong opponent, you lose nothing by running. That's one of the rules he applies every day in the stock market. When he open a trade and he is wrong, he immediately cut losses. On other hand, when he is right, he let the winners run. He started to trade stocks on his early 20s with just 30,000 United States dollars. In the beginning he started to buy what he believed to be undervalued stocks, but he ended up losing money. He just started to have some success when he started to simply following trends. He used to do lots of small trades per day, sometimes holding the trades just for couple seconds. 4 years after he started, he made $700,000 in a single day, and that's when he decided to give up on his day job. Nowadays he holds his positions longer because he has much bigger capital and he can't open and close trades fast without moving the market. In 2006 at age of 26 he had $30 million. But his path don't have just wins, he also lost big sometimes. In 2007 he lost $5 million in one day, and in 2008 he also lost other $6 million in Lehman Brothers stocks. He reached $100 million in 2010, and today he has more than 300 million United States dollars. In February 2014, at the beginning of the session, the stocks from the company SoftBank Corp. Dropped almost 5%. CIS decided to buy 300,000 stocks that cost almost $20 million. This changed the momentum of the price and people followed him. The volume was so big that the stock ended up closing positive for the day. But CIS don't wait for the end of the day to close his position. Took him only 20 minutes to buy and sell all his stocks. He profit $1 million in that trade without leaving his room. This is the kind of trades that CIS is known for. He likes to buy or short stocks that already moved in some direction, and then he enters on the opposite direction, creating some momentum in the market. He is so aggressive that during the year of 2017 he traded 0.5% of the entire volume of the Japanese stock exchange. Like the trader BNF that we talked about in the previous video, CIS also took advantage of the mistake that happened during the IPO of the company JCOM. When the market opened, the stock price was set 42 times lower than it should. That happened by human error. CIS saw that and hit the buy button immediately. He held the stocks just 10 minutes before selling again to the market. The final profit was almost $6 million. He said in an interview that he don't even celebrate, instead he kept trading other stocks during the session. CIS says that the best thing in trading is to keep things simple. He used some basic indicators like 5 moving average and 25 moving average. He don't trade crossovers since they are slow, but moving averages help him to see the key direction of the market and where the price should face resistance. He also likes to buy stocks from good companies that are cheap and protected by the state. Then he holds these positions for long time. Other strategy he uses is to find distortion within the price of a stock and real economy. He prefers to trade with a trend, but he does counter trend when he is trading news. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you don't watch yet, please check BNF Trader video. Happy trading!